What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. So, guys, we're currently on gold on the monthly time frame. And what's the first thing that we can see? Bullish impulse leg here. So we know that we are bullish on the monthly time frame. So, second thing we can see here, we can see that current monthly candle is breaking above the previous monthly candle. So we're going to mark out this previous monthly candlestick high and low. This is our monthly trading range that we are breaking above. And this is a strong level of the liquidity right here. So on the lower time frames, I want to be looking for structure above here and this level to actually be used as support. So we have got a bullish candle on the monthly time frame. And if we break above here, the next level will actually be this zone here. But there's no real indication where price could be going next on the monthly time frame because we only have these candles here. But if I were to predict, I would say that we are going to look to continue up to this high here. However, we need to go down to the lower time frames to try and confirm that. So this is very nice. Look, we've got this weekly candle close above this level here. That's very, very nice because on the weekly time frame, look, we have impulse, retracement, and we're looking for that continuation. Price tried here, failed, dropped back down to these lows, started ranging, and now we have got a confirmation candle and a potential breakout, and we're going to be looking to target these highs. So going into next week, I mean, we are very close to this current week's high, which tomorrow will be the previous weekly high and low. So we want to mark up this previous candlestick high and low here for next week, because this is going to be our weekly trading range. And then we've got this imbalance in here, but because we are very close, guys, and for you guys that watch these regularly, because we're very close to this liquidity here, what are we going to expect at the beginning of the week? I want to see price nip up, market open, take this liquidity, close back below here, and give us a retracement. I'm going to be waiting for retracements next week and then buys up and continuations up. We've got a nice imbalance in here, look, on the weekly time frame. Boom. And I would love to see this get filled and get some nice confirmation on the lower time frame. So that's what I'm expecting on the weekly time frame at the beginning. Now, this for me is higher probable. Take this high back in here and then look for that continuation up. But what could happen? I mean, we could shoot straight up, market open, and we could use this, as we said on the monthly time frame there. We could use this level now as support. So that'll be the first level I'll be looking for support, as we break above this. But I will be expecting, we've got a high probable situation of price to take liquidity there and then pull back somewhere into this range here, and then we can look for buys up like that and catch that higher time frame continuation. Daily, what have we got on the daily here? Beautiful. Okay, so again, we're starting to break out of this range here, and the daily's been a little bit choppy. You can see that we've got a little imbalance here. Where's my little tool there? You see? So this is what I'd like to see at the beginning of the week. I love to see when the market moves like clockwork. So if we push up at the beginning of the week, boom, take that, bang, we pull back somewhere in here. Boom, there we go. That's what I'm going to be looking for, because we've got these levels, guys. We've got these levels here. Obviously, we're bullish, so we're going to be looking to take buys, ideally buys to catch the higher time frame continuation. But if we do get sells, we can jump in, retracements. We just got to make sure that we actually take our profit and try and hold them forever. So you see, look, we've got this imbalance here on the daily. So we'll be able to refine that even more on the lower time frames. This, somewhere in here, is the first zone we'll be looking for buys. And we've got another zone down here as well. So that's giving us two zones. Obviously, if this zone fails, this one, continuations, we're going to be waiting for this zone. And this zone here will complete this weekly pullback right there. And we're just going to take it level by level. So first level we've got is this one here. Previous monthly high. If we make a support there, boom, we're going to look to buy up. If we fake this level, come back in, boom, we're going to look to buy up from there. If this level fails, boom, we're going to look to buy from somewhere in there. Price action is looking very nice, if I do not say so myself. Okay, 4-hour time frame, what have we got here? Closed above. So you see we've got this nice 4-hour. Yes, we're bullish on the 4-hour. Look, this is our, yes, that was the previous 4-hour structure there. Look, bearish, and we have just closed above that high. So we have broken the structure on the 4-hour. So what we're going to expect, we could see price push up a little bit more, this 4-hour impulse leg, but then what we're going to expect, a retracement. I want to see a retracement somewhere in here, and that continuation. So again, you can see how this is lining up with the time frames as we go down. Or, we've got this first level here, look, where the candle's broken above. That we could see a support being used here. We'll try reuse the same lines there. So we could see support here. Or, what I would prefer to see Because this here, if we see support there and buy up, this isn't the most reliable place to look to buy up all the way to these highs. That's what I'll keep in mind. However, if we take liquidity off the top of here, we pull back, we mitigate this, give ourselves a proper retracement, then we can look to catch higher time frame move because obviously we're trading how price moves, pull back, and we're going to look for that continuation here. So that's all we're looking for on the 4 hour. 4 hour bullish. We've now got the 4 hour lining back up with the higher time frame, which is beautiful. And the 1 hour here, what have we got? Again, same price action as the 4 hour. That's all we want to see. All I want to see, pull back, even if price pushes up first here, and pull back, bam. That's all I want to see. That's all I'm looking for. Just waiting for pullback, buy. We've got our levels here. Mark up the levels. So going into next week, levels you want to look at this one. This level here. That'll be your first level, or this will be our first level. More of a zone here. So if we see support made here, boom, you can look to take buys there. Especially if it lines up with the Asia session and the other confluences that we trade inside the groups. If we take the liquidity and it price pulls back somewhere inside here, I mean, let's just measure low to high there. We've got some nice zones. Look at this 618 zone here. I mean, if we refine this even more, oh, I wasn't even on the 1 hour time frame there. Now I'm on the 1 hour time frame. Look at this nice imbalance there. Go down even further. What have we got? Some nice zones down here. So again, just waiting for the pullbacks. Waiting for the pullbacks. The zone I would love to take buys from is here, but I need to see structure first because, I mean, we can't really take a buy, you know, just from here with a limit and cover this low. But we just need to see. Need to see where price opens at the beginning of the week. Obviously, what happens at this level. If she makes support or if she fills and starts pulling back into this level here. And that's it, guys. That's all we're looking for. Super easy going into next week. Super, super easy. Before we go, guys, I want to jump over into the Discord and just show you these free channels here. So if you go onto Discord, blackswanfx.com, there's click to join for your Discord button, you know, on literally every single page. You can see all of these pages in here. Funded Lab Futures. Look, we've got another 5 funded accounts there, all on autopilot. Beautiful. Got the Funded Lab, which is the automated prop firm passing and payout in the Forex side. Funded Lab Futures is basically piggybacking off that, using the same systems and processes just in the futures. Companions. So again, companions, these are built using proven manual day trading strategies with the attempt to actually automate the strategies. So guys, if you want to see any more information about, you know, anything that's in here, please go to the website and watch the videos. If you've got any more questions, let me know, you know, on Instagram, BenAlistairFX, or YouTube comments or the live chat, wherever you want to post the messages, just post them and we'll get back to you. And that's it. So enjoy the rest of your weekend and bosh.